The Samsung Galaxy S23 Unpacked launch event date is official, plus the pre-order reservation are now live. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, we have already know when Samsung next Unpacked event will take place, but the company is now making it properly official. Its next flagship phone lineup will be announced on February 1st in San Francisco, US. This will be the first in-person Samsung Unpacked event since the COVID pandemic started. Also, Samsung is going to be giving you a pre-order reservation bonuses this year, and it's going to be a $50 discount if you pre-order the S23 series. Also on the event, Samsung is launching a laptop, which means that if you pre-reserve that, you will also get a $50 credit here as well. But if you reserve both of these devices and pre-order them, then definitely you will get a $100 credit on that. Needless to state that pre-order reserve discount is on top of all other bonuses like the rumored free Galaxy Buds Pro 2 or Galaxy Watch 4, or even you will get upgraded in terms of the memory department, since we know that 256GB is going to be the base storage in most of the countries. So definitely this means that a 512GB of variant could be given to you in a pre-order gift as well. So definitely if that happens, it will be a win-win situation for everyone. So guys, along with that, Samsung also given us two promotional materials which we have talked about yesterday. So basically Samsung is going to be making more focus on the night photography. We already know that 200 megapixel sensor is coming for the S23 series, which is packing some incredible things inside, and one of them is the 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. Also we have three different modes: 12 megapixel mode, 50 megapixel mode, and a 200 megapixel dedicated mode. Now moving forward, Samsung Galaxy S23 series is also packing a custom variant for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is 40% more power efficient and 45% more CPU and GPU enhancement are coming inside, which definitely means that it can compete against the like of the Apple series. Now, the one thing I really like about the S23 series is the base storage upgrade. Most of the countries will be coming with a 256GB as a standard, whereas in some countries you will get a 128GB variant only for the S23. 8GB of RAM option is coming for the S23 and S23 Plus, whereas the S23 Ultra will be coming with a 12GB of variant option. Plus this RAM is going to be LPDDR5X and the storage option will be UFS 4.0, and both of these technologies are really fast, which means that the upcoming S23 series is going to be blazing fast. Other features include satellite connectivity, which is similar to the iPhone 14 series. Now as far as the pricing, it's going to be rumored that it will be exactly same as the last year S22 series, so definitely it's going to be a big win for the S23 series family. I'm really excited about that particular device because it's packing some incredible hardware and software inside, so we hope that Samsung will be bringing some new thing inside. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.